which is Maybe Chair, and today we're going to do this halo eye for Valentine's Day. This is kind of in the middle of the dramatic and simple. It's just a halo eye with some shimmer shadow and stuff like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's not that bad looking. It looks cute without wearing like a red smoky eye or glitter, a red heart glitter, you know. Like, it's not like all of that stuff, because I know some people feel very uncomfortable wearing glitter or just a very bold look. So this is for the people out there that don't really want to wear that to Valentine's dinner. You know what I mean? So I do have a halo, easy halo look down below in the description for you guys to watch. If you don't know how to do a halo, I would watch that first if you don't know how, and then watch this whenever you figure out how to do a halo. This is very easy. It's not really a halo, it's just like, I don't know what to call this, but it's kind of similar to a halo. If you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have some loose face powder under my eyes because I'm reviewing a special foundation. Comment down below what you think it is. But I am going to do a makeup look, obviously. I have some powder in my eyes, so just in case for fallout. But I'm going to take the Tartiest Pro palette. I should probably stop using this palette and start using other palettes, but I just can't get my hands off this palette anymore. But I'm going to use this Emax Design Fluffy Brush, and I'm going to use the color called Bold in this palette, and we're just going to take a little bit of that and put that all over the crease. Now I'm going to take this Silicone blending brush and take the same color that we just took on the other fluffy brush, and we're going to put it more into the crease with this brush just to give it a little bit of definition. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, the third color in the palette. I'm going to take this same brush and I'm going to put that into the crease. Now I'm taking a little bit at a time because I don't want this look to be smoky. So that's it for the crease. I'm going to grab, I don't know what I'm going to grab for the next two colors. Let me try to figure this out. Hold up here. Alright, so I'm going to take the Alice in Wonderland palette, and I'm going to take, this is from Urban Decay, by the way. I'm going to take this color. I'm going to take this color right here, and it's just like this, like, red. I swatched it. It's right here. Just like this pretty red kind of shimmery color. And I'm going to put that on the outer part and the inner corner of the eye. We're going to do like a halo look. You guys already saw in the beginning of this video. I swatched a couple shimmer shades, and I think I know what I want to go for, but I am not sure. We're going to find out together. And yeah, so I'm going to grab that color, not damp because I want to move it around a little bit, and I'm going to put it on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm going to go in with the Peanut Butter Jelly palette, and I'm going to grab this color right here, this gold shimmer color. And I'm going to put that on the lid, the center of the lid. I'm going to add some mascara. Now actually, let's put a thin line real quick of liner near the lashes. And now I'm going to put on mascara, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in Very Black. And yeah, I'm just going to put one coat of that. I'm going to wear, which is no surprise, the Ardell Faux Mink Lashes in 811, the Style 811, and yeah, so I'm going to go do that real quick. I'm going to go put that on. I'm going to go back into the Tartiest Pro palette and grab the color called Bold, and I'm going to go in with this IBI Beauty crease brush. Take that color and put it on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to take the second color that we took in the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, and that's the third color in the palette, and I'm going to take that on the same brush and do the same exact thing. And then I'm going to take that color that we took on the outer part and the inner part of the lid, and we're going to put it on the inner part over here, just a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit at a time. And I'm going to take that gold that we took on the lid, and I'm going to put it well in the center of the lid, and I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that color in the Tartiest Pro Palette, Bold. I'm going to take the same brush and kind of blend a little bit under there just so we can get that color back. And now for the waterline, I'm going to do this white liner. I don't know the brand of this liner because it's all rubbed off and stuff, but I'm going to put it on the waterline and then put powder under there, under the eyes, and then I'm going to put some mascara down there. And then now what I'm going to be doing is inner corner, and I'm going to take these two highlighters right here, and this is the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter, and this is the Pixie by Petra Rose Gold highlighter, and I'm going to take those highlighters and put it on the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone, and I'm also going to use those two colors to highlight later. And now I'm going to do my full face real quick, and then I'll be back with you guys with the lip color. Alright guys, so the lippy that I chose for this look, I just thought that it needed a glossiness because, I don't know, I just felt like it needed some kind of gloss. But the lipstick that I use is actually matte, but I put a lip gloss on it. This is the Millow Cosmetics matte lipstick in Posh, and I put the Ulta Beauty Butter Bomb lip gloss in Belle on top, and it looks so pretty. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Oh yeah. And yeah, so I really like how this turned out. That's the end of this video, by the way. I'm just glad that I did this because it looks so cute. This is easy for Valentine's Day. I know that people's not going to want to wear like pink or red or freaking put heart stickers on their eye or glitter on their eye. So this is just like a kind of halo kind of look with shimmer shadows, and it's just very easy and it's not hard to do. This is for the people that don't want to wear glitter on their eye while they go out, you know. They want to be like very confident in what look they're wearing, and I decided to do this kind of halo look. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next Valentine's makeup look.